Still managing your poultry farm with notebooks, calls, and guesswork? It's time to upgrade. With the right ERP system, poultry farm management becomes smarter, faster, and more profitable. Track feed consumption, bird growth, mortality, medicine, and production, all in one place. Know your farm costs in real time. Reduce wastage. Improve planning. Make better decisions with accurate data. No complex setup, no extra staff needed. Simple, practical, and built for poultry farmers. Grow your farm with confidence, control, and better profits. Contact Lanka Poultry Insights today and discover how ERP can transform your poultry business. +947 415 52946